In this video, we're going to take a look at different kinds of shadows that you can do with some advanced CSS techniques. I'm going to apply those to each of the articles that's wrapped around each one of our 9 major sections. So back to our phone, here, I'm going to do an article and do a box dash shadow. Shadow has several values. The first one that you throw at it is going to be an offset on the x-axis, or left to right. If you use a positive value, it's going to move it to the right, and if you use a negative value, it's going to throw it to the left. The second value is an offset on the y-axis. Once again, positive means down, negative means up. The next one that I typically use is a blur, and I'm going to do a 10 pixel blur. That will give me a soft edge, and we'll show you what a hard edge looks like in a minute. And then the next one is the color. So I'm just going to do kind of a medium gray here. Semicolon, save it. Let's see what that gives us. Okay, so here we can see each one of the articles, and there is that cast shadow, which is down and to the right. Now let's do a negative on the x-axis. See how that kicks it over here. Now instead of a 10 pixel blur, let's do a 0 pixel blur. Notice how we give a harsh edge to each one of those. Not very pretty. You can also do an RGBA color. Remember, the values are red, green, blue, and then transparent. So no red, no green, no blue. Okay, that's equivalent to black. And 3 would be a 30% transparent. What that allows, instead of just a color, solid color like this, you can actually see through it to the texture that's behind it, just a little bit. Alright, so there we have a soft fuzzy cast shadow down and to the right. Now, by modifying this just a little bit, you can put a glow on it. So if I offset x0 and y0, and then instead of making this soft, just black, I'm going to make it a red color so you can see it. This is going to be ugly, but it's okay. Alright, see how it has the red color around it? So by using a 0 and a 0, you get a glow effect, which is a modification of the basic box shadow. Now you can also add a word in here called inset. And that is going to put it inside instead of outside. So if we go back to our regular black with transparency, I've now got kind of a hole punched in my article. It looks like it's indented a little bit. So there's several different modifications you can use with box shadow. I'm actually not going to have any of them on this because it's too much to add that effect. I might add it somewhere else. I'm just not going to add it there.